ERAYAK Electronics, shining electricity, has been a manufacturer of mobile power solutions for over 20 years, making energy smarter and the future greener. ERAYAK Electronics is committed to the smart power ecosystem of mobile power supply, focusing on independent research and development and constantly challenging the technological boundaries, achieving user needs in each experiment and refining quality to the limit in each process, empowering every extraordinary product with industry-leading standards, deliver every trust with the responsibility of a top global brand. Here, every action embodies professionalism and rigor. Every detail shows quality and pursuit. From the fine processing of parts to the assembly and debugging of products, every process is strictly controlled to ensure that the parts are flawless when flowing into the next process. We deeply know that only through the most stringent inspections can products shoulder the weight of trust and shine on the stage of the market. With a rigorous attitude and professional spirit, we infuse the soul of quality into every product, making them reliable partners in users' lives. This is a symbiotic and win-win green ecosystem where we empower industrial upgrading and drive enterprise development through the mobile power generation, energy storage batteries, electricity consumption, and industrial ecology chain. Make the most of every watt of electricity. Store the light for every emergency need so that people can see joy and share joy. For over 20 years, we shoulder the responsibility of empowering low-carbon living, forge ahead with innovation fearlessly, illuminate a green future with harmonious coexistence, and fulfill the Chinese dream through the mission of carbon neutrality. Zhejiang Leiya Electronics Co. Limited.